dumpster rental service in Wildwood, Florida. Are you tackling a home renovation, cleaning out a garage, or managing a construction project in Wildwood, Florida? All Things Dumpster Rental is here to make waste disposal easy and efficient. With a strong reputation for reliable service, we provide roll-off dumpsters designed to handle projects of all sizes. Whether you need a compact dumpster for minor cleanouts or a larger one for construction debris, we have the right solution to fit your needs. We offer same-day and next-day delivery, ensuring your dumpster arrives when you need it. Our pricing is transparent, with no hidden fees, so you can stay within budget without any surprises. Our rental periods give you the flexibility to complete your work without pressure, and extensions are available if extra time is needed. Booking is quick and easy through our online system, allowing you to choose your dumpster size, schedule delivery, and let us handle the rest. If you have any questions or prefer to speak with a team member, call us at 352-804-8783. All Things Dumpster Rental is committed to providing dependable service, making your cleanup or construction project as smooth and stress-free as possible.